Basic Harmonic EA. Welcome back to MqlrobotEAs. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Basic Harmonic EA, built entirely using FXDreema, a no-code platform for creating trading robots for MetaTrader. This expert advisor is designed to place pending buy or sell orders based on zigzag harmonic patterns, a technical pattern commonly used in price action strategies. The logic aims to capture price reversals at swing highs and lows using a minimalistic but efficient setup. Let's walk through the structure. On each price tick, the EA checks whether there's an existing order. If not, and if the zigzag indicator detects a valid pattern, such as two bullish legs forming a potential bottom, the EA will trigger a pending buy order. Conversely, for bearish legs pointing to a potential top, a sell pending order is placed. To prevent overtrading, the system uses a counter pass once block, ensuring only one valid order per setup. After an order is placed, any existing opposite side pending orders are deleted. This keeps the chart clean and avoids conflicting trades. On the right, there's a counter reset mechanism. This activates when a new zigzag point appears, either an UP or down leg, which resets the system's logic and prepares it for the next valid trade. This EA operates based on pattern recognition only. It does not include stop loss, take profit, trailing, or filters, which allows users to later customize or combine it with their own strategy logic. Before using this or any EA in live markets, it's essential to understand the underlying trading strategy, be aware of market risk, and always perform a 99.9% tick data backtest. You can learn more and download this EA from Mqlrobot.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to MqlrobotEAs for more educational trading bot content. See you in the next video.